of the men's 4x100m relay. Inside out, Texas State, USC, Northern Arizona, Arkansas, Little Rock, TCU, Oregon, Fullerton, and Stephen F. Austin. And we are away in the first heat. Fullerton in orange running well on the outside, but USC making up space on the backstretch, and USC has dropped the stick on the first exchange. Huge, huge blow for the Trojans. That looked like Brock to Benjamin. The rest of the race goes on. Get a shot here of your leaders as they come off the bend. Looks like Fullerton out in 7, or TCU in the white on the inside, getting challenged by Arkansas Little Rock. Yeah, it's those two, 1 and 2, and it's going to be very close for the finish. And an epic fall there as they cross the line. All 3 will advance pending any other disqualifications. Arkansas Little Rock 39-35, TCU 39-38, Cal State Fullerton 39-86. Texas State on the bubble with 40-32. But the huge news there, USC did not get out of the first exchange zone. See there, TCU, believe that's their anchor leg, Mokalang, who lunged across the line in a very tight battle with Arkansas Little Rock. Hope he's okay. They were safe for the qualification.
And Mokalang, one of the top competitors here. We saw him in individual events. Hopefully that's just a cramp, but the way that he's down doesn't come across that way. And my eyes were not on Oregon, and we're waiting for their time to pop up.
See if we get a replay too, maybe even of the whole thing, just to see where Oregon went out there. But first thing was first with USC on that first exchange. They were not able to connect. You see there's no stick there. Pay attention to Oregon on the outside.
And we didn't get a shot on Oregon, but it looked to me like they might have been out of the zone, you know, on that second exchange.